International travel can be such an exciting experience, but it also requires a bit of planning. Here are some tips to help you make the most out of your trip. Number 1. Get your documents in order. Ensure your passport is valid for at least 6 months beyond your return date. Some countries require this. Double check visa requirements for countries you're visiting. Some countries allow visa on arrival while others need you to apply in advance. Consider getting travel insurance that covers health, cancellation, and lost luggage. Make copies or take photos of your passport, visa, and important documents. Store them separately from the originals. Number 2. Money matters. Exchange a small amount of money ahead of time for convenience, but don't carry too much cash. You can notify your bank of your travel dates to avoid fraud alerts. Tipping customs vary by country, so research what's expected in your destination. Number 3. Health and safety. Some countries require specific vaccinations, so check with your healthcare provider before traveling. If you take regular medication, bring enough for the entire trip, along with a doctor's note in case you need a refill abroad. Know the emergency contact numbers in the country you're visiting. They are not all the same. Be cautious about drinking tap water or eating street food in certain countries to avoid stomach issues. Always opt for a bottle of water if you're unsure. Number 4. Packing smart. Stick to essentials and versatile clothing. Overpacking can make getting around stressful. Different countries use different power outlets, so bring a universal adapter. Also, check voltage compatibility. If you're checking in a bag, make sure to have a TSA-approved lock for it. Number 5. Phone and connectivity. To avoid a hefty phone bill when you return home, turn off data roaming if you don't have an international plan. You can also buy a local SIM card or use Wi-Fi. Don't forget to download essential travel apps before you go. Number 6. Cultural awareness. Even knowing a few words in the local language like hello, thank you, and please can go a long way. Also, research cultural norms such as dress codes, tipping, and dining etiquette. Number 7. Stay safe. Keep your valuables secure and be mindful of your surroundings, especially in tourist-heavy places. Number 8. Be flexible and open. Sometimes flights get delayed, planes change, or things don't go as expected. Having a flexible attitude can help you enjoy the adventure, even when things go wrong. Don't overschedule yourself. Some of the best travel experiences come from spontaneous decisions. Number 9. Social media and photography. If you're posting on social media, be mindful of privacy and security. Don't broadcast your exact location or travel plans in real time. Some cultures or landmarks have strict rules about photography. Always ask if you're unsure. Any specific place you're planning to visit or need tips on, I can offer more tailored advice. Leave a comment or you can reach out to me. All my links will be down below.